Are you struggling to manage your finances? Creating a monthly budget can help. Let's simplify the steps to build an effective budget that works for you. Start with knowing your total monthly income. This includes your main paycheck and any additional income. If your pay varies, use an average figure. Next, list your fixed monthly expenses. These are costs that stay constant, like rent or mortgage, insurance, and subscriptions. Knowing these amounts shows how much of your income is already accounted for. Then, add your variable expenses. These fluctuate monthly and include groceries, gas, dining out, and entertainment. Reviewing past statements can help you set realistic amounts. Set realistic spending limits within your budget. Find a balance that allows some fun spending without feeling deprived. Remember, a budget should work for you. It's essential to review and adjust your budget each month. Life changes and your budget should adapt accordingly. Monitor your numbers regularly to stay on track. Now, let's talk about essential expenses. Housing is usually your biggest expense. This includes mortgage, rent, and utilities. Next, consider food and basic transportation. These are crucial for daily living. Healthcare expenses also count. Health insurance, medications, and doctor visits help protect your financial health. Don't forget minimum debt payments, as missing them can harm your credit score. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is important. Needs are essentials like groceries, while wants include luxury items like streaming services. Acknowledging this difference helps cut back when necessary. If you're not fond of apps, try tracking spending with a notebook. Jotting down daily expenses keeps you aware of your spending habits. Alternatively, review bank statements weekly to catch any mistakes. A simple spreadsheet can help organize your spending digitally. Even basic spreadsheets show clear totals by category. Some people prefer the cash envelope method, setting aside cash for specific expenses. Now, let's spot the signs your money habits may need fixing. Running out of money before the next paycheck is a major red flag. If you consistently rely on credit cards for everyday expenses, it's time to reassess your budgeting strategy. Avoiding your bank balance can lead to financial trouble, like overdrafts or debt. If emergencies throw you into panic, it's vital to build even a small savings buffer. Lastly, if your debt keeps growing, it may be time to review how you manage spending and repayments. Building strong money habits takes time. You don't need to be perfect. Focus on understanding income, controlling essential expenses, and tracking spending regularly. Watching for warning signs simplifies managing finances. Remember, small, consistent improvements can lead to the most significant financial results over time. Are you ready to take charge of your budget? Start today and watch your financial health improve. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.